See, I want to check something out here. I'll show you, Mom. Remember that song Hotel California song?
Yeah. Cody. Cody. Hey, Cody, I love you. Cody. Cody, look at Grandma. Cody. Ba 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 ba. Come on, my baby. Come on. Oh, goes getting dirty. Come on, my baby. Come on. You could do it. Hi, gorgeous. Ba 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 ba.
That one, that Hotel California?
Yeah.
I see it somewhere, but it says, have you ever heard the words from that song? No, you haven't. You just listen to it because it sounds great. But if you ever listen to it backwards, this is what it sounds like. And when you went backwards, and one said, hell, Satan, we love you. And it said, thank you, Satan, in a word.
Oh my gosh, could you find it?
John taught in the early 1970s began to speak at different churches in America. What he had to say was common. He announced that he was a former member of a secret, powerful organization called the Illuminati, and that he left it after. Most of these people that speaked out against these people, they were found crazy.
That's crazy.
He made several audio tapes warning people of the evil plans of the Illuminati before he was framed, prison, drugged, and sent to a mental hospital by agents of the Illuminati in order to keep him quiet. See? He sent to a mental hospital.
Holy.
Because of what he talks about, like the devil and everything. Nobody believes that, right? That guy's crazy. Lock him up. But meanwhile, it's the devil worshippers that are making people doing that. Saying you're crazy.
Oh my god, it looks nice.
Today, no one knows what has become of John Todd.